Hey everyone, welcome to the ATT channel. Today we're diving into data analysis, what it is, why it matters, the tools and techniques you'll need, and even some project examples to help you get started. If you're new to data analysis, you're in the right place. Let's make this simple and straightforward. First up, what is data analysis? Think of it as a process of inspecting, cleaning, and transforming data to find useful information, draw conclusions, or help make decisions. For example, if you've ever sorted a list of expenses to see where your money goes each month, you've done a form of data analysis. It's all about making sense of data to understand questions or solve problems. Now, why is data analysis important? In today's world, we're surrounded by data, from applications we use to the websites we visit. Businesses, for example, use data analysis to understand customer behavior, optimize products, or improve marketing. It is essential because it turns raw data into actionable insights that drive smarter decisions. So if you're a data analyst, you're basically helping people see patterns and trends they might not notice on their own. Next, let's talk tools. As a data analyst, you're likely going to be working with software like Excel, SQL, Power BI or Tableau, Python. These tools help you collect, clean, and analyze data. For example, Excel is great for quick calculations and visualizations, while Python is powerful for handling large datasets and automating analysis. Now, don't worry if you're not familiar with these yet. We'll cover them in more detail in future videos. Then we have techniques and methods. These are the different approaches you can use to analyze data. For example, you might do a simple descriptive analysis, which summarizes your data, or predictive analysis, which uses data to forecast future outcomes. An easy example here could be predicting monthly sales based on past data. Different questions call for different methods, so learning these techniques gives you flexibility. Finally, projects. A big part of learning data analysis is actually doing it. So working on projects is key. For a beginner, a project might be analyzing your personal spending habits, or if you're a bit more advanced, maybe analyzing sales data for a small business. Real projects help you apply your skills and help build a portfolio, which is super valuable in this field. Alright, so that's the plan for today. We'll go through each of these sessions in future videos to help build a solid foundation in data analysis. If that's something that interests you, stick around and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Bye!